Hello, in front of me I've got OUKITEL OKT1 and Samsung Smart TV. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from the tablet to your TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and on your tablet enter YouTube app. Press this button in the top right corner and select your TV. Now, when both devices are connected, you can play any music you'd like on your tab, and it will be played on the TV. To disconnect your smartphone from the TV, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.